Hi guys! So in this video I'm going to check out a Porsche specialist who is probably going to rebuild my engine. I wanted to film this on the go, but I realized that I forgot to bring the adapter to fix it on my suction mount. So yeah, I stopped to continue filming this intro. So I was saying that I already had two offers from two Luxembourgish Porsche specialists. So the first one, I think I mentioned in one of my past videos. He made me an offer of roughly between 15 and 20,000 euros. This might sound like a lot, but the engine will be entirely rebuilt. So it will be dismantled in all of its pieces, and they give me a warranty for another 2 years on the engine, so that's amazing. So yeah, the first one was between 15 and 20,000, but he said, well, yeah, he has to have 2 more engines rebuilt and that he won't be having the time potentially to get it done before May. And since I don't want to have my car parked in my garage for another, I don't know, another year, I said, well, okay, then I have to take in other offers. This is when I asked another one here in Luxembourg to make me an offer, and this one came to a price of, I think, 21, and it was a very precise offer, all calculated, put down with all of the parts needed, etc. But I saw that some of the parts that the first one considered were not considered in the second one, and so that initial starting price of 21,000 would be easily exceeded and probably finish around 25, and yeah, that was too much for me. So then back to the drawing board, and I looked for a new one, and that last one is located near Saarbrücken, so about 100 kilometers from where I'm living. Even if I have to hop by to clarify some things, that's no big deal. I mean, that's a 1 hour drive one way, so that's totally acceptable if you ask me. So this is where I'm heading right now, and the guy on the phone told me it would be between 11 and 14,000 euros. But again, those shields from the engine cover are not included. But I mean, the starting price is okay. I don't want to pick the cheapest, but this is exactly why I'm heading towards this guy right now, because he offered me to hop by and make myself an image of what this guy is offering. I will hop by, check his workshop, and then decide on whether I'm choosing him or not. Okay, so I just want to make something clear here. I arrived at this place like 2 hours ago. And you come towards this small, cute little workshop with just that little name on the top corner right there. And who would have known that behind those doors you will find the images that you will see right now? I mean, I am blown away. I am just simply blown away by those guys. So I'm back. This was just the most unbelievable and unexpected experience ever. I mean, I don't know if it has to do with the Porsche brand, but they are all so cool. I went in there and you have to imagine that small backyard shop where you can put up to 3 or 4 cars inside. They have 2 post lifts and you just walk in and you feel at home right away. It is not that huge workshop or anything. So this guy comes up to me and greets me and tells me, "Oh, you must be Alex." "Yes, that's me." "Yeah, we were expecting you." "Okay, cool." So we go up to his office and we talk a bit about my story, the car, what I'm planning on doing. And yeah, so it was a pretty cool experience. And then, yeah, we talked and then we arranged an appointment for the 30th of March. So that's right in about 1 month. And I will bring the car here that day in the early morning. And we will film the process of the engine being taken out. And they will start taking it out right away so that I can bring the empty chassis back home that same day. Yeah, so in the next video I will probably be taking my car to this place and then see where it is going from here. So this was a little video to get you up to speed again. Yeah, thanks for watching and I hope you stick around for this engine rebuild. Thank you, bye.